Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is EJ Wanne. You can call me EJ for short, okay? So on today's video, I'll be showing us how we can prepare watermelon and strawberry juice, right? So first we have watermelon here. Watermelon is good with vitamin A and C, helps boost your immune system and keeps you hydrated. That's for watermelon. And over here we have strawberries. They are rich in fiber and folate, which is good for pregnant women. They are fat-free and cholesterol-free foods. Okay, so these are two very rich fruits. This is very good for pregnant women. If you take this every day when you have your baby, they will be so fresh and beautiful and strong babies. Okay, guys. So let's go making this juice. Okay, strawberry and watermelon. Let's go. Hello guys, so here comes your freshly prepared strawberry and watermelon juice. I always like it cold. That's why I added the ice cubes, especially this summer when everywhere is hot. Okay, yes, so everyone can try it out, both for kids, adults, pregnant women, young and old. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up, share to your friends and family, let them try it out. Comment, put on your notification bell, okay? I love you guys and I will see you on the next one. Bye.